Limiting factors. This is a very small chapter. So first, what is definition for limiting factor? Limiting, that term is important. Limiting means say some factors are there. These factors can limit, they can govern, control the growth of plants or animals. Such factors are called the limiting factors. According to Odom, any factor uh, with respect to its amount, if a plant or an animal approaches the maximum or exceeds the maximum, it affects its growth. Such factors are called limiting factors according to Eugene P. Odom. Once more, what is limiting factor according to Odom? A limiting factor means any condition, anything that approach or crosses the limits of tolerance. That condition of factor is called limiting factors. For example, we consider temperature. We all know that for proper growth, certain amount of temperature, certain level of temperature is necessary. When the temperature exceeds a level, it will affect the growth. In that way, we can consider temperature as a limiting factor because it is necessary, but it should not cross a certain level. Okay. Then basic concepts. Again, here there's an illustration with an example to explain the limiting factor. Here taken the case of phosphorus. Phosphorus we know is a very necessary nutrient for plant growth. In aquatic medium, when phosphorus is very necessary for the sufficient growth of algae. So a certain level, certain amount of phosphorus is necessary. So phosphorus we can call it as a limiting factor with respect to that aquatic medium. Then types of limiting factors. Limiting factors are physical factors and biological factors are there. Physical factors means it includes climate, weather, all those things. Then biological factors which limits the growth of a population are competition. Competition regulates the population size. Predation also can regulate the population size. Parasitism, diseases, all these are biological factors. In this chapter, there are two very important questions are here. They are Lebig's law of minimum and Shelford's law of tolerance. It is very sure question. For almost all your examination, these two questions alternatively are asking. So, first we are going to see Lebig's law of minimum. Very simple. There is not that much complicated in this. It is proposed by a German chemist, Justus von Liebig, in 1840. What this law is telling? That means consider as a plant and it requires for proper growth 3 gram of nutrients. But it is getting only 1.2 gram. That means it is not sufficient with respect to that particular nutrient. So, according to this law, Lebig's law of minimum says that for proper growth, there should be a minimum amount of limiting factor. Minimum amount. That word is important. This law is specially mainly pointing to that term. That a minimum amount is there for the proper growth. For all limiting factor, there will be a minimum amount is there. Example, nitrogen deficiency. If nitrogen deficiency is there, it can retard the growth. This way is showing here. The growth is affecting. Next is Shelford's law. Shelford's law, there's only one difference. In Lebig's law, it is dealing with only the minimum required amount. In Shelford's, it is considering the maximum level also. That's only difference. It is proposed by Victor Shelford. Its main feature is that it considers the maximum limit also. Then limit of tolerance and range of tolerance. It is considering the limit with regarding to phosphorus. If we take it as an example, phosphorus, it has a minimum amount and also a maximum. If the amount of phosphorus exceeds a level, that also stop the growth of plant. So limit of tolerance and range. And then what is range of tolerance? Range means that it's a range between the maximum level and the minimum level with respect to a limiting factor. Then Shelford's law. Shelford's law is telling that a range is there between the critical minimum and critical maximum zone with a central optimum zone. In critical minimum zone and in critical maximum zone, there is no growth. Growth is more exponential growth is happening only in optimum zone. So then along with that, you need to show this graph. It's very important. You need to draw this graph also whenever this question came for your examination. This graph, the y-axis denotes population size, x-axis is the environmental factor, and this indicates the minimum level. So there is no individuals. As the level of nutrient increases, few individuals start to grow, and as it enters the optimum range, maximum population size is maximum, and as the amount exceeds, then again the population number reduce, and ultimately finally it totally destroy that population. So this is the graph. Then combined concept of limiting factor is nothing. When a limiting factor, when it is below minimum unit and beyond the maximum unit, become a primary determinant for the growth of that plant. Example, phosphorus in the aquatic system. Then light and temperature as the limiting factor. In the case of lake, we already learned in a former chapter how the light influence the existence of life in the lakes or any aquatic system. So light in the case of lake. Euphotic zone means this zone having zone with the maximum illumination. So then light interrupt light availability of the light can be interrupted by vegetation also. If so much vegetation or algal cover is there on the surface of the water, then the amount of light that reaches the deeper layers will be very less. Then one more term is here, light compensation point. What is light compensation point? It is that amount of light, amount of energy that plants taken for photosynthesis. Here, it's a representation. From the sun, certain amount of light is taken by the plants for their photosynthesis. From that amount, the energy that is sufficient only for its respiration, that amount is called the light compensation point. Then eurythermal animal and stenothermal. Eurythermal means animals have wide range of tolerance to temperature. Stenothermal means animals with only a narrow range of tolerance to temperature. Okay, with this we finish this chapter. Thank you.